Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so I decided to document how my whole NYSC experience was going to be. I thought that was my NYSC experience. I was going to show you guys how the whole NYSC is going to be and what to expect and all that. But right now the whole dream has changed. Now I'm documenting my COVID experience, because immediately I got to the NYSC camp, I tested positive for COVID-19. This is actually hilarious because I don't really have any symptoms of COVID. So now I'm at the isolation center and they decided to test me again to be sure that I have the COVID and all that. So now I'm just sweating. You can see I'm sweating and waiting for them to take me to the isolation ward. I feel like I'm in a pen, the prison. My brother was like, free glory, free my homie. But it's actually very funny because I wasn't really expecting this at all. Now I'm going to see how it's going to be. I took a ride in an ambulance today and it was actually very funny. From the camp down to the isolation center.
You know. It's fun now. It's supposed to change it for me before they will give me other disease on top of the COVID.
The experience was just funny. Being in an ambulance was very, very funny. I decided to document this shit because I feel it's going to be necessary for me to laugh at myself later. I know that I have COVID and all that, but I think the result is going to be different. But let's see how it goes. It's a bit noisy now because I'm outside. I'm not really inside. I needed air because everyone is just too stuffy. But right now, we're waiting for them to take us to the isolation ward and see how it's like. So, well, it's not just me though. Like we're about five people. So, just going to wait patiently. This is actually very funny. It's very, very funny because I wasn't expecting this to happen. So guys, this is the isolation center. This is where I'll have to be next 7 days. Pretty crazy, right? Restricted food. Everything was wait outside in the sun. Scorching sun.
One eternity later.
So guys, this is the ward. This is where we're going to be staying. So this is where I'm going to be staying for the next 5 to 7 days, isolating myself. Oh, this is very, very funny. It's so funny actually. Isolating myself with COVID-19 that they have given me. I don't know NYSC people sorted the COVID-19 from, but that it's not really crowded. It's nice. They're giving us food, water, and everything. Just now, I think I'll need to be going out to take a walk, to have fresh air and all that, so I could get back on my feet on time. Okay, then we can continue this whole NYSC process.
A few moments later.
If you wonder, what you gonna do? Ready? Baby, I don't really know what you want to. Maybe you can show me what you gonna do. Or we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life what me gonna do. Make you feel nice what me gonna do. Girl, you don't know what you done do. Girl, and bad speed up. Say you're not treat man bad, true enough. But you too goddamn bad, beat it up. No say you're that my girl, but you run now. Remember how you say you want me. Send girl on my yard, come call me. Tell somebody. No say you got that body.
Guys, so morning update. I just got up and I'm going to shower now. They decided to give us pap, that's custard and akara and milk. But I don't take custard, so they're bringing bread and maybe hot tea. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. And that's my jokes.
You want to. Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. And we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life what me gon' do. Make you feel nice what me gon' do. Girl, you don't know what you undo. Girl, you change the way for me. Make me feel away lonely. Ain't no complaints on me, but I feel away, mommy. You playing games on me. I make it rain, oh. You feel away, oh. But what make you stay so? Baby, I already know what you want to. Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. Make it all night if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life for me gon' do. Make you feel nice for me gon' do. Girl, you don't know what you done do. Girl, go long bad, speed up. Say you're not treat man bad, true enough. But you too goddamn bad, beat up. No say that my girl.
So guys, afternoon update. They brought lunch and lunch was trash. Imagine having leaf with rice, and that's actually very trashy. So see you guys for next update. Say hi to the camera.
I am Ruth, the first
Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Where now?
Una see where I feel my.
When you dey plan out your school, but you know we forget.
This one not enter your brain. Once they call, the person big. Because me, I don't have any friends. If you get that doctor number, that's color.
Girl, you know I'm my time. I mean, the way you like.
Guys, so morning updates. I just got up, so just got vitals this morning, and I'm about to have breakfast. So you see my breakfast is potato and egg, but the onion, I don't really like onion. They are not really cooked well, but I'm seeing a lot of onion in here, so I don't know how that's going to work. So hopefully today is Sunday, so hopefully by Tuesday I'll be out of here. You can see I'm already feeling better. Taking off my nose mask. So I'm going to put back on later. Okay. I don't know how to do it.
Romantic with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasies. Girl, you know I'm my time. Tell me, can you handle it? Red wine vibe with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasies.
Guys, so quick afternoon update. Today's Sunday, and they brought Fanta and rice for us. So the rice is still hot. I think there's fish inside this rice. So I'm going to eat now, and maybe they'll give me drugs. And they also took our BP and rice and Fanta. Oh, I don't actually like taking drinks, like carbonated drinks with my food. So I just prefer I'll use my water instead. So
for you, and if you don't believe in love, well I have something for you. We can go to Africa, teach you how the streets move. I don't want to lose you. Tell me what you won't do, cause I do anything for you. Anytime rise the queen salute me. Nowadays girls them really ruthless. Yes, I'm my time. Girl, you know I'm my time. Baby, can you handle it? Red wine vibe with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasy. Girl, you know I'm my time. Baby, can you handle it? Red wine vibe with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasy. Said I'll be heading to the paper, running on vapors. Need a few acres, no more haters.
Meanwhile.
Hey! Joy! Hey! Hello!
Hey, what hello?
Dan dada, no money, bank robber, wallaby stepper. Dan dada, more money, bank robber, wallaby stepper. Dan dada, more money. Beats were clean in the London streets, so we reach and nothing normal. Mr. Beats were clean in the London streets, so we reach and nothing normal.
Tomorrow for sure.
Guys, morning update. So they've taken our vitals, they've brought breakfast, and I'm going to be continue reading this book. I've not finished it yet, but so far it's been so good. So for breakfast today, we're having bread, tea, and boiled egg, which is actually, I don't actually like tea in the morning, so I'm just going to leave the tea like that. So that's it. Bye. Hi guys, so we are going back to camp today. So this is going to be my last update. So today they decided to give us they didn't use vitamin. Okay. So today we are having semovita. Okay. So say hi. This is Ella, the first contestant. And this is Ruth. Yeah.
I want to be a COVID patient. It's like this free lunch.
Okay, she say hi.
24 hours light. Oh, baby, can you?
We're going to miss her, I swear.
I feel like tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah. So, updating, we're having semo and egusi. They gave them.
On the beat, rock for me please. I saw it, I go. Anywhere we meet at the site I go.